Hi, this is Abel Andres of Yugatech, and today we're going to unbox and give you a quick hands-on of the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That was a mouthful. First, let's go ahead and remove the plastic wrapping of the box. As you can still see, there's a smaller paper packaging inside, which contains the clear gel case, some documentation, and a warranty card. Then, we have the phone itself, but let's just set that aside for now. Once you pry open this cover at the back, you get the large 33-watt SuperVOOC charger and that signature OnePlus charging cable in bright orange color. The handset is in this nice Tide blue color as well as that smooth matte finish at the back. Our review unit has 8GB of RAM with 3GB memory extension and 128GB of internal storage. The dual nano SIM tray also supports a micro SD card slot of up to 1TB. The plain and simple design of the device is very typical of the Nord CE series and pretty much followed last quarter's Nord CE 5G, but with slight changes on the camera module. The earlier Nord CE2 5G runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, but this Lite version opted for a Snapdragon 695 chipset, which isn't bad either. The device got a score of close to 4,000 points on Antutu benchmark. While the exterior design isn't far off between the two, the Nord CE2 Lite had shed off a few key features. They dropped the NFC altogether. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor was placed instead of the usual in-display sensor. There's also no Gorilla Glass protection indicated here. We also have that dual camera instead of the triple camera setup, and a hybrid SIM plus SD card slot instead of a dedicated one. Where the Lite variant got the better deal is with the battery at 5,000 mAh and the 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charging capability. In terms of design, the Nord CE2 Lite 5G looks plain and unassuming. Pretty much copied the old design of the Nord series with a few minor tweaks. It's got a metal frame with a polycarbonate back panel that has this fancy finish in a half-glossy, half-matte pattern. The display is a 6.59-inch Full HD IPS LCD with 120Hz refresh rate. It's bright and crisp with a good enough size for watching videos and playing games. That high refresh rate is really great for gamers, so props to OnePlus for putting it here. The camera module at the back protrudes from that flat surface, headlined by a 64MP main camera and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The third one is just actually a depth sensor paired with an LED flash. Sample shots taken with the rear camera were decent at best, and nothing else to really be excited about. The power button on the right also works as the fingerprint sensor. The volume controls are on the left side, along with the SIM card slot, the noise-canceling mic up top, and a Type-C charging port at the bottom, together with the speaker grills, the primary mic, and the 3.5mm audio port. Under the hood, there's Oxygen OS 12.1, which is actually based on Android 12. It comes with the familiar UI if you're used to OnePlus handsets before, but it can take some time to get used to it if you're really a first-time user. It's snappy and responsive thanks to the simple UI, which is paired with 8GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 695 chipset. Take note though that the internal storage is only UFS 2.2, so that's not fast as we'd like it to be, but you'll never really get to notice that unless you're transferring large amounts of files. At this point, I'm thinking the Nord CE2 Lite 5G is actually perfect for gamers on a budget. That mid-range Snapdragon 695 chip with 5G capability, large battery capacity, and display of 120Hz refresh rate. In our experience, the battery life is actually pretty long. We tested this out using the PCMark battery test last night midnight, and it's actually already 4 o'clock on the next day, and the battery test is still running. Well, what else will a gamer ask for? At 12,990 pesos, I think this is a good buy. There are actually quite a few other handsets in this category, but The Nord CE2 Lite 5G has a good mix of configuration. We'll share more about this handset in our full review, so watch out for that. For the meantime, if you're interested in this unit, go check it out in the listing in Lazada. We'll just put the link in the description section down below. So what do you guys think of the Nord CE2 Lite 5G? Is it hot or not? Chime in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, hit the like button as well and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Click on the notification bell to be updated of our future uploads. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, IG, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe, and I will see you in our next video.